Okay, Judy, this is to show you how to sign into the Zoom. So you want to go to the zoom.com or sign into, I think it's zoom.us. So anyways, this right up here is the web address. But I think if you just click on zoom.com or do a search for it. Anyways, so then you're going to go to the sign in and you're going to sign in with my email address. So the email address is csowden1964@gmail.com. And then the password is capital G A B R I E L L A 0316. So it's Gabriella 0316 with a capital G. And then you're going to go ahead and sign in. And so then this is what it's going to look like. And what you want to do is you want to go to the meetings, and it's already set up. So all you need to do, this is the one for this coming Wednesday night, and you would click on start. And once you click on start, you want to open. And I'm going to open it just to show you how it's going to go. So then when you sign on, I think you can change your name in the participants. Click on more and rename. So up on the top here, you're going to click on more and rename, and then you're going to put your name in there. Okay? That's all you have to do, and then to end it, all you need to do is end it. Let me see if I can get out of here. End meeting for all. And so that's all you have to do. So hopefully that will answer your questions, and have a good meeting tomorrow night.